look at those season or they pop up inside of the fritters. So nice, right? Guys, look how lovely this is. It tastes so freaking good. So good. Remember guys to subscribe, to tell a friend, to share, and remember, God is love.
Hi everyone, I have a special guest, 3 special guests. Say hi. Then we have 2 over here. So today they are going to try how to cook. Guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for all my mom's newest videos, and to comment. God is love. So guys, we have our chicken here. It's already seasoned. Now we're gonna put it inside of the flour.
And put it inside of the, what do you call it?
The fryer.
The air fryer.
Okay, now we're going to take one, sprinkle it all over and mix it in, so it all covered like that, okay?
Okay.
You get it? My hand's getting the dirtiest fast. Oh, it's done. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our chicken. Before we have to try, so I'm just gonna take one and put it in. And it's ready. You guys could try it too. Do not drop it in.
And this one too?
Yeah. Do not drop it in. You put it like this. Sometimes I'm scared if I get burnt. Okay, and the last one will...
Okay. Skin's so bad.
Now we gotta wash our hands.
And now we're gonna
Okay, guys, now
wash
we're
our
going
hands
to wash our hands and wait until
the fire thing finish. then like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy our video.
now we're going to shake this off, and then Sarah, going to put it in the bowl, and then she's gonna put it in.
Yes. So now,
Shake it, drain it. Okay. Give it to Sarah.
I want to put it in the sauce, in the bowl.
oh yeah,
We're gonna
good.
gotta look stylish. It smells super spicy.
Nikki, hold the boy. I want you to make singing now.
It's spicy chicken and fries right there.
You want to do it? Okay, so now we're gonna sprinkle some parsley for color. That's enough parsley.
To make it look good.
To make it look
Over
That's
there.
enough.
Over there.
That's
Yeah,
it.
this is it.
And then we have these
some fries to go with it.
Fries to go with it. And then we're good.
And then we good to go. So guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend. And remember, God is